David Mortimer, Hamilton Mortimer Agency in Narrabri. We sell at Gunnedah every week in the weekly market here. 3,500 cattle this week. Full team of buyers, usual buyers are all present. Lighter cattle were at a reduced rate, little heifers making from 90 to $1.40. Heavy steers up to 230 cents, 180 to 230. Cows up to 180 cents, but the plainer cows, you know, are 120. A lot of cattle coming in from the western country, which I think have probably only got another week or two of those cattle, and I think they'll be all gone, and I think numbers will come back a little bit. Might yard another 3,000 next week, and then I would believe the week after we'll be back to the 2,200s. No rain in sight, so they'll just, I think they'll keep selling as they can. Anyway, that was about that Gunnedah today.
Are you partnered with an RMA Network independent livestock and property agent?